Smith at Lakie Middle School here. What you're seeing today is part of our new course. We're doing a home and vehicle repair and maintenance course. It's a 12-week course. Every week we bring in a different tradesperson, a different career. And Monday the kids brainstorm, think about what they know and what they want to know about the career. Tuesday we bring in the tradesperson and they show kids, talk to them about the career, show kids them how to do things and leave behind some materials. Wednesday they build and work on it. They capture images of them doing the work, and Thursday they work on their portfolio and put it all together so they have a digital portfolio of their brand new skill set. So it's a really neat idea, really neat venture, brand new concept for us here, partnered with Career Transitions and the college as well. So Judy at Career Transitions has been amazing, helping us find tradespersons and resources and helping me come up with ideas for the course. It'll all be published in the end, so any middle school can take the template and have connections to trades in Southern Alberta and have them come into their courses, and it'll all be created or captured in video, so there'll be supported video with each of the concepts as well. So today's an electrician, a very interesting one, a very popular one as well. Then we've got plumbers coming in, we've got arborists coming in, we've got mechanics coming in, and it's just all centered around the home. My goal was these kids in a handful of years, they're going to be owning their own vehicles, they're going to be moving into their own places, they live at home. I want them to understand and appreciate their home and be part of their seasonal maintenance routines with mom and dad. Maybe there's some things that aren't getting done, and they might learn some things about what they could or should be doing to take care of some of their biggest assets in their family. And so that's my whole objective here, is to give kids the skills and the ability to take care of what they own and where they live. And having the portfolio, I mean, we talk about careers and making career connections. I want kids to recognize that they'll have skills that other kids won't. They'll have skills that some adults won't. They need to highlight that through their resumes and through their portfolios. They might take it for granted that, yeah, I can take care of my vehicle. But there's adults that don't know how to do that, and so rather than paying someone to take care of it, if they can do it on their own and showing that in a resume, then it sets them apart from other kids and makes them a little bit more valuable employee perhaps.